Got some visitors this morning. Wild turkeys out on the pond. 4 of them so far. Aren't they pretty? Wish I could zoom in closer on this camera, but I'm kinda over 50 feet away here. Filming out a window.
Turkey season, huh?
The piglets are going off to their new homes in the next couple of weeks. They need to be weaned in the next week. They still look so tiny, but they don't need to be taking nutrients out of mom for much longer. Yeah. It's very muddy in here. Excuse the pig pen conditions. It's mud season, and this is the worst it looks all year. And they need to go out on pasture in the next couple of days, because these are not wonderful conditions for raising piglets in. Very muddy in here. Right, Mom? Yes. You guys having fun outside? You are? Yeah? Well, we change and deodorize your bin for a minute. Yeah. We're having fun out here. Little quacklings. Little quacklings and goose protector. Hi. Oh, well, yeah. Pile of cracklings.